We have a chance in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see it. If ever you're in my arms again. Yo, shoutout guys, another tutorial. So, medyo matagal-tagal tayo naka-upload. Tayong medyo na-busy tayo, no? So, ito, if ever you're in my arms again. So, napagandang kanta, isa sa greatest of all time, no? Napasama ito sa top 100, kung di ako nagkakamali. Great song of all time. So, napagandang kanta at meron yung mga bar chords. So, gagawa natin ng paraan para mapadali nyo at mamemorize nyo. So, start agad. So, intro. So, yung version ng Music Travel, gagamitin natin yun, yung diretso minor kaagad, no? Kasi sa original, C sharp ang ginamit na bass sa first verse, first verse at intro. Na 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 na. So, dito ginamit, pero doon sa Music Travel version ay minor kaagad. So, first two chords, intro at verses, C sharp, 4th fret lang yan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito, 4th fret. Okay? Yan ang B. So, 4th yan. Okay? 4th fret dito. So, fretboard dito. Okay? And the second chord ay move tayo sa 6 dito. Para sa E flat minor. Okay? Yan ang gamitin natin. No? Diretso tayo minor. Para madali niyang may memorize. So, intro, C sharp. 4th and 6th fret, kaya ng B minor, 6, okay? So, kaya na bala mag-timing. And strum is down. So, down lang, kaya na bala mag-timing. Down. Pare sa chorus, down na rin, pero mag-iba lang timing. Play natin na, pasok ang verse. I still love you so. Down. Repeat lang. Pwede lang ganyan, sinabi ko parang original lang. Pero ito nga para madali yung memorize. And then tapos yan ang intro at verses, C sharp, 4th fret, and then E flat minor, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, okay? 6. Yan ang B minor. Then diretso tayo ng pre-chorus. We are just a lifetime, but I just couldn't. So, first two chords ay B, then E, and then dito, so C sharp minor, 4th fret, 4th yan, 4th. So, may C sharp kayo, no? Pero dito sa pre-chorus C sharp minor, and then up, G sharp minor. So, kaya na F sharp minor, 4th fret pa rin. Okay? For 4th fret, okay? And then B, balik ng B. Then F sharp. So, nasa screen naman, no? So, repeat lang yan. B, E, sharp minor, and G sharp minor. So, mabilis, no? Then B, F sharp. Then dito. So, F sharp, ngayon ng F, second fret. F sharp. Okay? Second fret, first, second. So, pahabol tayo ng G sharp. So, F sharp, G sharp. Sa ending ng pre-chorus ending. Kaya itong ulit. Time, it's gone, then B, so may pabol, no? Isang chord, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, bago ang chorus. If ever yours. So yan ang buong pre-chorus. Sa screen naman, ang mag-iiba lang itong pabol. So, yun lang. Then, chorus naman tayo. First chorus, may mag-iba mamaya, no, sa Chainski. Panoorin nyo ng buo kasi may Chainski mamaya sa after ng bridge. Merong bridge at Chainski ito. So, chorus muna tayo, first chorus. If ever you're in my... So, C sharp. yung first chord kanina. Then F minor. So gaya na F sharp minor, first fret. Then F sharp. Then G sharp. So pahabol tayo ng isang note dito. Play naman natin. If ever you're in my down. So lalagay tayo sa original parang bass lang yun eh. Deng. Pero dito ibubuo natin na F sharp. Okay. If ever you're F sharp, G sharp, then habol na F sharp. Again, this time. So ulit. If ever you're F sharp, G sharp, F sharp. So, okay. G sharp, F sharp. Pahabol lang isang down yun dyan eh. If ever you're in my down. Then, second na mga sunod na linya. Yeah. So, F minor. This time. F minor. This time, and then E flat minor 6 fret, yung kanina yung ginamit ng chord sa first verse. I love you, then G sharp. So play natin ng buo first line. If ever you're in my down, then F minor. This time I love you much better. Then repeat. Yan ang chord sa screen na. At kinabala mag-timing pati yung strum. Down lang eh. If ever you're in down. I love. Then dito sa second line, yun pa rin yung chord pero mag-gold tayo. I love you much better. This I will be. So hold dito ng E flat minor. Second line. Much better. Then G sharp. Yun pa rin mga chords. Mag-gold lang tayo dito. This I will never. Then back ng intro. Then kaya na bala mag-timing. Diretso tayo ng bridge. So, dito bridge. After na second chorus. This time I love. This I will never. Then bridge. So, first chord dito ay itong B flat minor. After the second chorus, then mag-hold on B flat minor. Then the romances. So, after ng hold ng B flat minor, F sharp. Then F minor, first fret. Then yung E flat minor. And then G sharp at B flat, guys. G sharp, B flat. B flat. So, pwede naman dito. So, G sharp. Pwede dito, pwede rin dito. Pero, mas madali kasing dito kasi diretso na lang kayo dito eh. Sa 6 fret. Same position lang naman. 4th, 6. So, play natin ulit. Hold ang after ng second chorus sa B flat minor. Then B minor first fret. Nasa screen naman chord. Then F sharp. F minor. Then E flat minor. 6 fret yung kanina. And dito 4th at 6. Kaya nabala kung anong gusto nyo. Dito ba? O dito? Nasa sa inyo kung saan mas madali, no? And then sa chorus, change key na. If ever you're in my arms. So, 6 fret na. Kaya C sharp eh. Dito 6 fret na. So, E flat. So, 6 na. Kung kaya na 4th. Then dito 6. Slide lang tayo. Same position. If then G minor for 3rd fret. Then G sharp. My B flat. I'm so good again. Pwede mag-ito. If ever you're dito 6. 6 4th. siya ulit. If ever you 4th fret, then 6, then 6, 4, then G minor. This time, so this time, dito na banda, G minor. This time, C minor, next C minor. So third fret. And then F minor, love you, then B flat. So yung B flat, yung C6, pareho lang naman yun. Yung 6, so play ulit natin. If ever you 4th, then 6, slide break sa 4th, then this time I love you. Pwede, ang ending pwede 6, but better, pero mas madali kasi dito much better. Dito nilang kunin ang last chord. B flat, same lang yan same ang B flat, dito or dito 6 or first fret. So binabase kasi natin kung saan mas madali ang ending, so mas madali dito kaysa dito natin kukunin. Better, mahirap, dito lang natin kukunin. It's better, so repeat lang. If ever you're in 6, 4, G minor, C minor, this time same pa rin ang pattern ng strum, no? Mag-hold kasi dito na banda It's better, this I will never. So repeat lang. If ever you're 4th, 6, 4th, down, C minor, F minor, B flat, down, 4th, 6, 4th, 3rd minor, C minor, hold. So repeat. So huwag kayong maguluhan mga chords na sa screen. At huwag kayong maguluhan dito sa B flat na dito or B flat na 6 kasi same lang naman yan. Ang ending lang ay dito natin kinuha kasi mas madali ito. So napabang tutorial, marami kasang chords. Dito hanggang dito muna, kaya nabala mag timing, strum at mga chords na screen lahat. Kaya nabala. Bye bye guys.